Good afternoon all. Now the time is 2:30 p.m. at Manapakam, Chennai. We can see the heavy downpour of rain due to the cyclone Michong, and there is heavy waterlogging here, and there is water at a height of up to 2 feet, and we can see the heavy, and luckily our apartment there is no waterlogging. It's a good rainfall. The cyclone is expected to make a landfall tomorrow morning. So today and tomorrow, holiday has been declared across Chennai, Kanchipuram and Tiruvallur districts. Signing off with later updates. Bye bye.